Ever pondered the current direction of your investment strategies? Perhaps a considerable portion of your portfolio is tied up in large cap stocks. Yes, those behemoths of the corporate world that dominate the headlines and capture the lion's share of market attention. It's natural, of course. Their size and perceived stability can often make them feel like a safe bet. But what if there's more to the story than meets the eye? In the world of investing, it's easy to fall into the trap of focusing solely on large cap stocks. After all, they're the ones making waves in the news. The ones with names that roll off the tongue. The ones that feel like a secure choice in an uncertain market. But here's a thought. Could this focus be inadvertently causing you to miss out on a world of potential growth and income? Enter the realm of mid and small cap dividend growth stocks. These lesser-known players may not have the headline-grabbing power of their larger counterparts, but they possess a unique set of characteristics that could be a boon to your portfolio. Consider this. Many of these mid and small cap companies are in strong market positions with healthy cash flows. They're not just surviving, they're thriving. And crucially, they're paying dividends. Yes, you heard right. Contrary to popular belief, it's not just the big players that offer dividend payouts. These smaller firms are also sharing their profits with shareholders, and often at a rate that rivals or even surpasses their larger counterparts. Moreover, these companies are self-selective of quality. With a focus on careful growth, efficient use of resources, and a conservative approach to debt, these firms are not just surviving, they're competitive. They're innovating within their respective industries and adopting new technologies, all while maintaining a steady cash flow and a commitment to their investors. With names like home builder MDC Holdings, Marriott Vacations Worldwide, and restaurateur Bloomin' Brands. Now, it's true that these stocks might not have the same immediate recognition as their large cap counterparts, but in the grand scheme of investing, isn't that a good thing? When everyone is talking about the same stocks, those stocks are likely already fully priced. By branching out into mid and small cap dividend growth stocks, you're potentially getting in early on companies that are on the rise and reaping the benefits of their growth and dividends over time. Of course, it's not just about the potential for growth, it's also about balance. With so many investors skewed towards large cap growth, and even large cap dividend payers, it's easy to overlook the value that mid and small cap dividend payers can bring to a portfolio. If you've made it this far, please consider giving us a like and subscribe to support our work, supporting wise investors. We really appreciate it. So it might be time to take a fresh look at your portfolio. Are you over-allocated to large cap stocks? Are you missing out on the potential benefits of mid and small cap dividend growth stocks? A careful review and potential rebalancing could be the key to unlocking a new level of growth and income potential. After all, in the world of investing, it's often the road less traveled that leads to the most rewarding destinations. Now, you may be wondering how you can easily incorporate these mid and small cap dividend growth stocks into your portfolio. Well, a good possible choice as a convenient ETF to add that fits this description is WisdomTree's US Quality Dividend Growth ETF, or DGRS for short. This ETF holds a basket of high-quality mid and small cap companies that have shown consistent dividend growth. Its composition is based on solid fundamentals, such as return on equity and return on assets, which makes it a reliable choice for long-term income and modest capital appreciation. One of the unique solutions it offers is the potential to fill a gap in most portfolios that are heavily leaning towards large cap stocks. By diversifying into mid and small cap dividend growth stocks through DGRS, investors can potentially experience a more balanced and robust portfolio with an added layer of dividend income. But remember, as with all investments, it's important to review the prospectus before investing. To help you with your further research, we've included a link to WisdomTree's website and an insightful white paper article in the video description below. In the next scene, we'll delve deeper into the performance of DGRs and how it stacks up against its peers. Remember, investing is often about taking the road less traveled, and in this case, that road could just lead you to WisdomTree's US Quality Dividend Growth ETF. Stay tuned. Stay. Investing, as we know, is not a decision to be taken lightly. It requires more than just understanding the basics. It demands a deep dive into the specifics of the investment vehicle at hand. This is why further research is absolutely crucial before you make any investment decision. Yes, we've talked about the potential benefits of mid and small cap dividend growth stocks, and how WisdomTree's US Quality Dividend Growth ETF, or DGRS, can provide a convenient way to invest in these. But it's important to remember, these are just the basics. To truly understand the potential risks and rewards, you should delve into the resources available for further research. The white paper article linked in the video description below provides an in-depth analysis of DGRS. It's a great starting point to understand its past performance, the companies it invests in, and its overall strategy. Similarly, the prospectus, available on WisdomTree's website, provides detailed information on the fund's objectives, risks, charges, and expenses. Investing in mid and small cap dividend growth stocks, like any investment, comes with its own set of risks and rewards. These stocks may offer higher growth potential and dividends, but they can also be more volatile than their large cap counterparts. So, it's essential to balance the potential for higher returns with the increased risk and position size accordingly. Remember, the key to successful investing is informed decision-making. So, before you decide to invest in DGRS or any other ETF, make sure you've done your homework. Stay tuned for our next video this week, and as always, invest wisely.